Hello there, Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to my video where we inspire and empower individuals to find their own hidden inner strength and adopt courage in their lives. Today's video is all about the power of quiet courage. A great reminder that courage doesn't always have to roar. Sometimes it's the quiet little voice within us at the end of the day saying, I will try again tomorrow. So let's dive right in, shall we? And explore this beautiful and amazing concept. See, courage, it's such a powerful word, isn't it? We often associate it with grand gestures and heroic acts, but there's a whole other dimension to it. Courage can also be found in serenity in the everyday moments of our lives, right? It's that undeterred determination that silently whispers to us, even in the face of pain or adversity. Keep going. I believe in you. Think about it. Courage is not just about taking big risks or standing up against obvious dangers. It's about having the strength to face our fears and overcome obstacles, both big and small. It's the ability to act on what we believe in, even when it seems like the whole world is stacked up against us. Courage is what enables us to step out of our comfort zones and embrace new horizons, new challenges, new frontiers. Courage is what makes us daring. It pushes us to chase our beloved dreams, to explore uncharted territories, and to believe in ourselves even when others doubt us. It's that little voice that says you have something special within you and you owe it to yourself to let it shine. Now let's take a moment to reflect on our own individual initiatives of quiet courage. Think about those times when you faced an unbearable situation, and despite the fear, you chose to be determined and to persevere despite the odds. Maybe it was standing up for what you truly believe in deep down inside, or taking that first step towards a new venture. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to move forward despite it. So my friends, as we wrap up this video, I want to leave you with a single yet empowering message. Embrace your quiet courage and listen to that little inner voice within you, reminding you to try again tomorrow, to keep pushing forward. Believe in yourself, trust in your abilities, and let your courage be the guiding light on your journey towards success. Thank you for joining us today. I truly appreciate your time. And remember, you really are stronger than what you think. Be courageous, be daring, and never be afraid to try again tomorrow. If you found value in this video and would like to receive daily inspirational emails from me and never miss out, go to my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com, and opt in. You will also find valuable resources, courses, and a supportive community to help you unleash your true potential. Don't let fear hold you back. Start your journey towards a life of freedom and fulfillment. And thank you for joining us today and embracing the power of quiet courage. Always go for your dreams and make it a great day. God bless, and bye for now.